Now we are discussing about chemical business options. In that today we are discussing about cleaning chemicals. Cleaning chemicals help clean, degrease, sanitize and disinfect surfaces, decreases, remove water insoluble substances from floors, machinery, pots and tools. Surface disinfectants and sanitizers reduce the amount of germs and keep them from spreading on clean surfaces. And next point is, what are the 5 cleaning chemicals? Common chemicals used for cleaning and decontamination guideline. Hypochlorite, that means bleach, and alcohols, chloride dioxide, and hydrogen peroxide, and peracetic acid, and iodophor disinfectant, that is vescodine. And next is quaternary ammonium compounds, that is quartz. This is the information and the references. Next point is, what is the type of cleaning chemicals? The most common ingredients in household cleaning products include alkalis, acids, detergents, abrasives, sanitizers and spirit solvents. Next point is, what is chemical for house cleaning? Sodium hydrochloride. Sodium hydrochloride is one of the most, sodium hydrochloride means bleach, is one of the most commonly used chemicals in the world. A solution of sodium hydrochloride is frequently used as disinfectant and as a bleaching agent. Often it is simply called bleach, though other chemicals are sometimes given that name as well. Next point is, what are the 3 types of cleaning? It is important, however, the 3 types of cleaning are immediate, maintenance and remedial. It is important, however, to ensure that a cleaning chemical company knows that it is doing. Too often cleaning companies are not well educated or even misinformed about best practices when it comes to cleaning, and is even deliberately unprincipled. Next point is, what are the 3 main components of cleaning? Temperature, agitation and cleaning agent. And next point is, what is an acid cleaner? Acid cleaner is defined as an aqueous cleaner that has a pH significantly below 7, typically below a pH of 5.5, and cleaners contain acids and often other cleaning ingredients such as surfactants. And next point is, what is the 7-step cleaning process? Step 1 is remove debris, then rinse, then apply detergent, then give a thorough rinse, then step 5 is to take a closer look, then sanitize or disinfect, then step 7 is dry. These are the 7-step cleaning process. And next point is, what is the 5-step cleaning process? To help you started, we are sharing best practices about the 5 steps of cleaning process, that is prepare, clean, sanitize, check and reset. And next point is, which liquid is used for cleaning? Detergents. Detergents are the most common type of cleaning agent and are used in home and commercial kitchens. They work by breaking up dirt or soil, making it easy to wash it away. Next point is, which acid is best for cleaning? Acetic acid is an acid in cleaner. White vinegar and is a natural all-purpose cleaning agent. It is best for general household cleaning on surfaces that can tolerate a strong acidic product. Next is vinegar removes hard water deposits from glassware, rust stains from sinks, and tarnish from brass and copper. And next point is, how many types of cleaning are there? The types of housekeeping services are domestic cleaning, commercial cleaning, general cleaning, deep cleaning, welders cleaning, end of tenancy cleaning, end of event and party cleaning, and medical cleaning. And next point is, what is the pH of most cleaning products? Between 9 to 9. pH of most cleaning products is between 9 to 11. General purpose cleaners have a pH between 9 to 11 and can be used to remove oils, particulates, fats and proteins. Understanding how the cleaning product works can help optimize the cleaning task. And next point is which acid clean bathroom. HCl is one of the corrosive acids which are used for cleaning purposes such as toilet cleaning and removing stains. And next point is what is the full form of pH. The full form of pH is potential of hydrogen. Potential of hydrogen. That is pH means potential of hydrogen. pH is known as the negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration. And next point is what chemical is a toilet cleaner. To get rid of dirt and grime, toilet bowl cleaners use hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is referred to as muriatic acid in ordinary cleaning products. The primary purpose of it is to clean concrete by peeling anyway the outermost layer. This is the information regarding cleaning chemicals. Cleaning chemicals are most important, especially for housekeeping, and so many ways you can use it, and it is useful to all. Wishing you all the best. Demand is also very high for cleaning products. It is regularly consuming products from detergents to surfaces, surfs and soaps also. Wishing you all the best.